Okay, guys, this is puppy terriers, and this is babies getting them some milk.
That's Baxter right there. Hi, Baxter. Are you busy? We'll come back later. Nicky's standing there. She's having a stand.
Look at this in here. I mean, that
What one?
He's trying to flip, man.
Oh.
Yeah, catch it.
Oh.
There's some milk somewhere there. I know they are. Watch it.
Yeah. Yep.
Look at him over here now.
There's two more on the other
He's
side.
hunting now. He's hunting. He knows he's at the right location now.
Look at the ears, isn't that cute? Look at the ears.
He knows he's at the right
There's
location.
puppies in there.
Why don't we just take and lay her down? Let's lay her down. That ain't a mess. Look at that one. He said, wait a minute now. I know there was one more somewhere. Look at it. Oh, mercy, where's it at? That's the little girl, I think.
That's Angel.
Angel. We're going to put her down here and give her a fighting chance.
Fighting. She's pretty good at fighting.
There's Mama.
Oh.
Look at the one with the top.
Look at it piggybacking. Baxter, you piggybacking.
He got rooted out. No, he got rooted out. She's tough, ain't she?
There goes Rocky right there.
Yeah, she's tough. She found,
Right
she
there's
found
Rocky.
her one.
Angel, Baxter, Milo,
And Miss Nicky.
and Mama Nicky. You look like you had a rough day, but baby girl.
Now stay. Stay, Nicky. That's Nicky's brood, ain't it, girl? Yeah, you're a baby.
And you can't have pretty hair, it's kind of mussed up for feeding babies.
You're a baby.
Okay, guys. That's all from Puppy Terriers, Nicky and her babies. Have a great day out there. Yeah. Bye, Nicky.